Okay, so you said the ST is your performance model?
That's our sport touring, so it's a little more on-road oriented.
Okay, got you.
Smaller wheels.
Nice.
Street-oriented tires.
Nice.
There's our special, so it has a little more off-road tires.
Okay.
More suspension travel, and then there's
All right.
got your car.
Oh, yeah.
One more time. And you're a little taller, so I'm going to swap out the seat real quick.
Alrighty, we have the 2025 Pan America CVO.
Have you ridden the route before? Do you
Yeah,
need to go?
yeah. You're gonna switch out the seat, huh? It's that easy, huh?
It's that easy, yeah.
Wow. Oh, wow, that was different. That's cool. Bunch of little gadgets and stuff, man. You got your boom box on the back of the back. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, that was a little bit higher.
Go ahead and stand it up.
Let's see what we got.
Some of the controls. So it's got what's called adaptive ride height. So once you turn this power on, it's going to lower the seat a little bit.
Oh, I do feel it.
Every time you stop, it's going to
Yeah.
go to that height. Feel free to adjust your levers and mirrors.
They're good.
And I want to point out the turn signals are only on the left side. I have to say that because Harley riders are looking
Right.
on the other side.
Right.
We have some different ride modes. You're currently in rain mode. The mode button is right here.
Got you.
Road mode and sport mode.
Got you.
This one does have a quick shifter as well, so feel free to try that out, both up and down. And we've got an adjustable windscreen, so if you want more airflow or
Nice.
more wind protection, your choice.
Okay.
You said you were familiar with the route?
Yeah.
You're going to follow those orange arrows. When you come back, you're going to check in here, and then just park it right back in this front.
Sounds good. Thank you. Alrighty, let's do it, guys. 2025 Pan America CVO. The one with the Big Daddy, man. Let's see. Let's see what we got. All right, so this is going to be a different ride. I'm actually riding this one because I rode this yesterday, and my freaking camera died when I was riding it. So we're just gonna freaking ride this one, and you guys are gonna tell me how you like it, because this one we should be able to get through with no issues. Now, I feel like the regular Pan America that I rode yesterday is a lot better. I don't know if she put the seat up so dang high or what, but this doesn't feel as comfortable as the regular Pan America that I rode yesterday. The seat is definitely different. The seat is definitely different. This thing is freaking huge, I feel like. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh. Okay. Got a little something, something. Little something, something. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, you get there quick as heck. You get there quick as heck, bro. And when I say quick as heck, a little too quick to be sitting really like this high up, man. I really don't like it. Now, like I said, I did ride the regular Pan America yesterday, but like I said, that one sat a little bit lower. I don't know if she put the Big Daddy seat on me, she said, because I was taller, but man, maybe I should have kept the smaller seat. I feel like I'm just literally sitting so high in the sky. I really feel like I'm sitting so high in the sky. But let's see what we can do. Yeah, I ain't gonna hold you. It's nice. It's got potential. Maybe you just got to get it set up right or something. I don't know if it's just like too like the back end. It really feel like this. It feel like you riding like that, like with the back in the air. So just something to think about if you guys are wanting this Pan America. Now off-road, I'm sure it might be fun and whatnot, but I mean, day to day, I don't think I could do this. Maybe on the regular one I could do it, but this one just feels like I'm sitting up oh so high. I should have told her to keep the seat regular. Oh, he don't want no smoke. We got a charger right here. I'm in sport mode too, bud. I'm in sport mode too, buddy. Yeah, this thing is nice. This thing is nice. Like when you get up there and you just want to ride and stuff, it's cool, but would I ride it every day? Probably not. Probably something to just go to the store. If you go to like the little dirt bike track, you can have a nice luxury dirt bike. That's basically what it is. A nice luxury dirt bike. A nice luxury dirt bike. Ooh, that first to second is nice. Oh, I ain't gonna hold you. So you got quick shift from first to second. After second, you gotta hold in the clutch, but I ain't gonna lie, that first and second gear is nice. That first and second gear is nice, man. First and second gear is nice, and then of course, you got your suspension. You can turn, maneuver real nice and easy. I don't know if it's just something about this specific bike, but like I said, the one I rode yesterday was just insane, man. Insanely good. Come on, bud. Let's see. Oh, this thing just want to lift up. I'm telling you. It just want to lift up. And the front brakes is good, too. Them things is nice. What they got on there? Them Brimbos? Got Brembo on the front brakes. Them things stop on a dime. Look, them things stop on a dime. Look. Golly. Skirt. That thing stop on a dime. Skirt. Yeah, buddy. You see me rolling on that CVO thing? Look, they riding. Then you got the bounce on here. Nice oohs and ahs. Let me get over here. Oh, that thing nice. Oh, I ain't gonna hold you, bro. Like, I really don't care too much for the bike, but the bike is so fast, it's like you gotta love it. Like, that's the only thing. It's like, bro, you gotta love the bike, dude. Oh my God, this thing is freaking nice. This thing is so freaking sick, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. I wish I had my 366 so y'all can really see how this thing look when I'm riding it. But pause, super pause. But yes, man, yes. Let's turn our signals. Y'all know on these, it's only turn signals on the left-hand side of the bike. You'll get tricked out real quick. He got that CVO ST pulling there. That's what we about to ride next, man. I ain't rode the ST yet. Yes, sir. Like, this thing is nice. Can it pull up a wheelie or something? Oh yes, it can pull up a wheelie. It can pull up a wheelie. Let me not have too much fun right here, man. They're gonna be like, look, bro, you can't you're not gonna be able to ride nothing else, dude. You're doing too much. You're not gonna be able to get Ed sauce. You're not gonna be able to get Ed sauce. You're not gonna get Ed sauce. There we go. Okay, let's see what we got next. If you guys like the ride, man, stay tuned. We got a whole nother ride video up next. Lovely. Lovely. Per usual, I'm on every bike today. Thank you, man. I'm on every bike today, man. Every Harley model. I can't wait to ride that thing right there. Now, that's going to be fun. I want to ride that one probably next. This thing is nice. 2025. It was pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alrighty. 2024. Can I just do a walk around real quick for my camera? 2025 CVO Pan America, man. You guys let me know what you think about it. It's got the camouflage and everything, man. You're gonna be blasting through the wind. You got the front light on there. Really, really nice bike. Of course, you got the top fog lights, the bottom fog lights. You got a whole complete thing, man, so you can ride in the dark through the storm, man, and go to cartel land, man. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Y'all stay tuned for the next ride.